Rain or shine, two determined souls are rolling up their sleeves for this challenge. Together, we're tackling the mess head-on, transforming a rainy day into a triumph. Come see how our teamwork turns a soggy situation into a fresh start, just for you.
Nice, soggy, moist, wet day. All right, folks, we got the first job of the day right here. First job of the day. It's a rainy day. And wow, what a mess. Mr. Maynard, what you got? What you think about this mess? Oh shit! What a mess. So of course, y'all, for legal reasons and what have you and so forth, I can't really show y'all the mess. Here, let me give you a little glimpse. You ready? How's that? How's that? Is that gonna get us in trouble? Oh, good. Okay. All right. Let's. All right. Can't be eating bonbons and hoe cakes. Hey, look, folks, real quick. I was just telling my man right here how I put the truck in four-wheel drive when it's raining like this, when the streets is wet. Who else does that? Does anybody else put the truck in four-wheel drive? All right, y'all, let me kill this music for the copyright. So, just walked out of Bojangles over here. Ordered a steak, egg, and cheese, bow rounds, and a coffee. What I ended up getting was a drink, a steak, egg, cheese, another steak, egg, cheese, and some delicious bow rounds. So the order ain't right, but I ain't mad. How's your order? Straight. We on site, and just got finished filling up this here trailer. Didn't fill it all the way, fill it halfway, because we already had cardboard in there. But cleaned up this here dumpster area, took the trash from super high to about medium level, just like that. In the rain, getting wet, as you can see. What a mess. Oh, he out here vlogging too, hold on.
You know, we got out here in the rain.
All right. All right, we back. So, next job is right here. We gotta go pick up a whole bunch of water. I just had a debate with my wife. She believes that water past 2 years in a bottle is not suitable for human consumption. I disagree. I feel as though if the water has been stored properly and not in direct sunlight, then therefore it should be good. And we just had my good buddy, what's his name? No, the guy had okay, let's do the ABCs. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. Oh, as soon as I got to Q, I immediately remembered. It's Remy Shepherd. Sorry about that, buddy. Oh. And that's what a motorcycle accident will do to you. You lose your ability to remember stuff. Or maybe I'm just average. Maybe the average person can't remember anything also. But according to the FDA, Remy looked it up online, it's fine. The water's good indefinitely so long as it's stored at room temperature and not in direct sunlight and has not been opened. So I think we're good. Only problem is that most of that stuff, here, look. Most of that stuff is Dasani. And so Dasani is not good. Dasani is terrible, even if it's fresh. So we gotta throw that out.
Trying to get my pants dry.
Oh yeah, you trying to dry your pants?
Cause we got that damn swimming in that damn
In trash.
In that trash, man.
Talking about the one at the dumpster or the cardboard?
The one at the dumpster. Plain old boy trash.
Oh yeah, Tommy, yeah.
I was like, damn. That water was just coming down like wow. I was like, oh.
Oh yeah, we definitely got wet.
Sat back on the damn dumpster like just let it walk. I was like, it ain't no fighting it.
Memory chip or something, right?
Yeah, you put a memory chip in there, and it's 4K. I mean,
Yeah, nice quality, yeah. Set up like that cost.
this camera right here, about $200-300. Say what's up.
Heck yeah. What's up?
And this little handle right here, maybe 150 more. I mean, but you don't have to buy the later. What you got, bro?
Oh shit.
What's that? What you doing over here? Bro, you don't drink no coffee.
Boy, you don't know. I need it.
You drink coffee? Bro, you didn't even stir that coffee. Best cup of coffee. This is not the Ram. This is the box truck. Ooh. Copyright. So what's up, folks? We got the box truck on site today. What is my code? Hold on, let me find my code. All right, we're in. All right, you grab that cart. I'm gonna grab this one. And we're going to the second floor. And which unit? Man, what if it had fell down in there? I always be thinking like if something falls down in there, bro, it's gone. 2. All right.
So now,
Maybe
floor.
this way. There it is.
Oh my God. See all this water, man? Purified water. Got Mr. Dante.
All right, folks. So these waters, and every single one of them is the same way. Look at that. They're like all deflated and mashable. I don't know if that means the water's no good or what, but I don't trust that. And every single one of them is the same way. Like even the Dasani right here, the Dasani, the bottles are deflated. Look at that. Let's check the Aquafina. Yeah, the Aquafina bottles are deflated. Yeah, I don't think this is any good. I mean, it might be good. I don't know. I mean, they don't seem like they're open. But how do they deflate like this? I'm gonna make some phone calls. All right, guys. So yeah, no, we're not. We're taking this box truck back, coming back with a dump trailer. All that water is trash.
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 All right, y'all. It's the end of the day.
It's the end of the day. Got to go in here and complete some of my vlog videos, post them to YouTube. Look at Hustle Man Podcast if y'all need to, man. If y'all want to come on and talk about your business, hit me up, man. Hustle Man Podcast on Facebook and Instagram. But at the end of the day, be looking out for the band called Baby Doo-Doo Diapers.
No. The band is called Dirty Baby Diapers.
Yeah, Dirty Baby Diapers. There you go.
Dirty Baby Diapers.
But y'all stay cool.
Oh, was it Doo-Doo Baby Diapers?
I think it was
Was it?
the third one.
Was it Doo-Doo or Dirty?
Dirty
Dirty?
Baby Diapers.
All right.
Peace out, y'all.